jackpot staat deze zaterdag op maar liefst 20,3 miljoen euro. Speel nu voor 2 euro per lot in de winkel of op lotto.nl.
Fate threw everything at the Bacardi family. The fire of 1880 couldn't stop us. Nor did Prohibition in the 1920s. Or exile from our home country in the 60s. The Bacardi family didn't just survive. We thrived. Because true passion